This project is gesture control using ultrasonic sensor. You'll have Arduino Uno. This is only external power supply, and you'll have two ultrasonic sensors. On top of the ultrasonic sensors, you will have indications of right and left. Okay, and you have to place right side sensor on the right side of the laptop and left side sensor on the left side of the laptop. You have a little bit wire, so just place the kit on back side of the laptop, and using the double side tape, you stick the sensor right side to this side and the left side to this side. Okay, and you will have one connector, USB connector connect to the laptop USB. This is one part. Second, we will have a program for Python program which will be installed into a laptop to run the application, and this will be the Python program which will be running, which has to be started after the kit is turned on and done the setup. Okay. So after doing the setup, we will continue. Now I have connected this ultrasonic sensors. You can see to my left I have connected the left sensor, to my right I have connected the right sensor. So you can just stick like this, and thereafter you can also keep it nearby if you can handle. Then we will connect the cable into your laptop. After connecting the cable, in the Arduino IDE we will be getting the COM port. So you have to adjust the COM port accordingly. Basically on setup we will give you in the code, else if it changes any time, then in the code we have to write the COM7 setup here, whatever the COM we get. Later we turn on the application. So once we start the application, we will get the data of the sensors of both S1 and S2. So instead of S1 and S2, I will change it to right and left. Just a second. So now I made it simple for you. That is right and left. So you can see this 357 and 360, whatever the data you are getting, this is the centimeters you will be receiving from the ultrasonic sensor. So after receiving the centimeters, what in the coding we have done is, first let us test with the PPT. So if the data of right sensor is less than 10 and the left sensor is greater than 30, then the slide will move backward. Else in this condition the slide will go to the next. So what we will do is we will open, and you can see this is the data, and we will open a slideshow. So this is the slideshow now. Now I am placing my hand on the right side. You can see the slides are moving. Just change it to the next part, and if I keep my hand to this sensor, it goes to the backward part. It came to the starting. Next I am removing it. Yes, and you have to keep little bit faster. Okay, so in this way the slides move backward and front. Okay, so this is the movement using the ultrasonic sensor for this thing. And for the another application, that is the voice. Let me set up it. You can open any way. This thing, it's not sticking properly. So now audio application, I have taken one audio this thing, and I'm keeping in the full volume and running the application. Laptop. And you can see here we are getting the sensors data. So this is the sensors data we are getting it. Now I'm placing two hands.
Power down the system will show to swipe the
near the ultrasonic sensor. You can see the volume starts to decrease.
So you can see the level sensors.
Here
so
at this point you can see
low,
the volume is getting decreased. I will show you once again.
It goes to green. This is low and this is high.
You can
And
see
it
here
goes to
the
the
volume is getting
low,
decreased
it goes to
continuously. If I keep both hands near the ultrasonic sensor, that is we have kept a logic here. If the
Now
both
thereafter, I'm
centimeters is
swiping
less
the
than 20, then it
amplification for
keeps on
user 1.
decreasing the
So I have swiped
volumes. Else, if both values are greater than 20 and
it. So whenever the card is
30,
swiped,
then immediately it will increase the
enter the
volume.
password.
Now you can see the volume starts to increase.
2 and 3 and press
So
hash.
now the
After
volume is
entering the
42,
password,
44,
press hash.
and you can see the
Valid
change.
password. It will ask to enter the amount. I'm entering
You
the
can
amount.
observe the change in the volume.
Okay. After entering the amount, press D.
If I keep
Okay.
near to the
After
ultrasonic
entering the
sensor,
amount, press D.
then the volume
If
starts
the
to
balance is
decrease.
available, the motor will start. Available balance is shown.
So you can see the volume starts to decrease. So this is the application. You have to just practice based on at what distance you are getting the sensor values according to the code, and it will work out for both volume and as well as PPT.